So this is not my first time at Sprouts, but this is probably my first time in years. And we're here to get some gluten-free and organic fruit. So we're gonna pick up some things that are gonna help ward off any illness. Well, I shouldn't say it that broadly, no, but to help ward off the cold or the flu. Right, strengthen your immune system. Of course, I'm with the hubby. So yeah, I am not really familiar with Sprouts. You think I should be. So I'm gonna try this one. Is it gluten-free?
Yeah, it should be gluten-free.
Clearly, I have not been in this store.
Did you see that? Yep, lots of food samples everywhere. So the plan is to get some organic fruits and herbs to make a potent immune booster.
All right, what did I come here for? Organic lemons, ginger, garlic, turmeric, I think I'm just gonna get 2. And you want a little bit of color and flavor, we can get an orange as well. So there's a version where you can put jalapenos in it, but Ken says he don't want to drink that. 3 for $1. But I like the option, so you know what? I'm gonna get 3 for $1. What's the difference? It's the same names, it's just marketing. Just marketing. Regular, and then we got the organic.
We got organic turmeric.
Wow, this is a lot of turmeric. I was hoping to buy like one little, because I mean,
Add the juices, smoothies, and
right.
cherries, 'cause it's organic.
Yeah, it's potent. You do too much of this, you'll have a stomach ache.
Yeah, use sparingly.
Honey, okay. I have to be careful with marketing. Sometimes, oh well, Manuka honey is the best. So you see, here's the Nates, and you can also go by prices sometimes as a hint. But yeah, the best probably, you see, look at the price. The best one is this. This has the most nutrition. Pesticide or an organic, antibiotic free.
Now, I'm not an expert in honey, but when it comes to Manuka honey, it is like the gold standard. And the reason it's so expensive is because it comes from a limited supply from New Zealand. There's a native bush there, the Manuka bush. Anyway, it also has extremely great health healing properties. Now, it is very expensive, so I am looking for an alternative. And there are tons of alternatives. Less potent, but also organic.
It's 24 ounces. It's bigger than the other one.
Right.
Organic.
Oh, that's gluten-free?
Yeah. It says organic.
Oh, so yeah, it's mixed. No, I think I like how the other store does it, where they put all the gluten-free stuff in one place versus having to hunt through every aisle.
But then again, on a positive, this store has so many, and I mean so many different choices of organic and gluten-free and vegan and just super healthy choices, or healthy-ish choices everywhere.
Should I get strawberry or mango? I think, you know what, let's do strawberry.
Now, full transparency, I ended up putting this bottle of kefir back because Kenton pointed out to me that Food Line, where he does a lot of the regular grocery shopping, had it for much cheaper. And he was right. Here, they were selling this bottle for almost $7. And at Food Lion, where we went afterwards, they were selling the same exact thing for about $3. So just be careful. The prices at Sprouts for some items are a little bit higher, or a lot.
But what's so sad now, I hear they're finding all sorts of stuff in cinnamon also, which is so disturbing. The lead.
As I've said before, when you have to eat a restricted diet and you go into a store that has so many options with foods that you can eat, you're just so excited, so happy.
How much more expensive everything gluten-free is, which really is just a way of saying this is the more pure ingredients, because chocolate should be gluten-free anyway, but they mix it with so many things. But look, $11.99 for... How many ounces is this even? You can see it's smaller. No sugar, only 3 ingredients. It's vegan. Date sweetened chocolate chips. $11.99. It's like, yeah, it costs so much more to be really healthy. This one's 8. We should try something. Star fruit. Let's try a star fruit. I heard this one helps you go to the bathroom. Yellow dragon fruit, 2 for $8. Let's try that. Let's try this one.
This is the only one.
This is the only gluten-free version we've been able to find on maraschino cherries.
Selling, yeah, at Sprouts.
At Sprouts, yeah, literally at the end of this aisle. The end of this aisle.
I've seen it because it's hidden.
Right,
It's
hidden in the corner.
It's in the, basically, the ice cream condiments.
Right. Right at the end. That's crazy. Looking for it. And look. You're right in there, in that tiny little corner.
You can tell from my voice, I was genuinely excited. Also, they have tons of dried fruit and dried nuts and snacks, sweet snacks, savory snacks. Again, pretty much organic. I mean, things like dried dates, dried cashews, dried okra.
The okra chips actually are pretty good. To get these.
I love how they have these old-fashioned oats in these huge barrels, giving it, that sort of vintage farm stand feel with the mason jars. Pitted dates, medjool dates, Turkish figs, all kinds of dried fruits and nuts that you can use in your cookies or in your baked goods or your porridge.
Oh, I didn't know they had flowers and plants in a little kind of bakery area. Nice. So cute. So cute. Free samples everywhere. Thank God I can't eat most of them, so I don't touch it. I do not touch it.
Look, they have cinnamon rolls. Now here's the thing, right? Even though I can't eat this stuff because it's made with regular wheat, I still get a little bit of pleasure looking at them, smelling them. I'm sure you can agree. There's something about being around baked goods or being in a bakery that just makes everyone feel happy. At least it does that for me. It's kind of like the same feeling I get when I go into a bookstore or an ice cream store or a toy store. You know that feeling. evokes childhood, you know, where you feel like you're being a little bit naughty, but inside you're just beaming with joy at all the possibilities. Well, that's how I feel when I look at these chocolate chip cookies and all the baked goods, even if I'm not buying it. These ones have white chocolate and macadamia nuts. When I think of macadamia nuts, I think of my grandma when she went to Hawaii. She came back with like tins of macadamia nuts. Let me freeze this for a second. On a different note, I really don't like most gluten-free bread. So lately I've been thinking about trying the wraps. So that's what Kenton is looking for.
Oh, looking for the wraps for me. Do you see it? Yeah, nice and soft. They gluten-free? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, so I'm back to torturing myself by looking at all the pretty poison that I can't eat, like this lemon sliced loaf or this cinnamon loaf. Look at this marble cake. Yeah, so lately I've been really obsessed with looking at baked goods. Part of it is I'm also getting inspiration, if I am being honest with you, because I think in my near future, I would like to have a farm stand. I know right now my life isn't set up for that, but that's what I see in the future. I would love to sell baked goods. Of course, my stuff would not have, you know, a fraction of all the artificial ingredients that you find in some of these products, but it would be beautiful and delicious. At least that's the dream. That's the dream. By the way, do you like meringues? I've made homemade ones with fresh fruit and fresh cream, and it's delicious. And I also do love madeleines. They just make me think of, again, childhood and just, I don't know, special times. I like the ones dipped in chocolate. Or maybe you're more of a carrot cake fan. So like I said, this is probably my second time going to Sprouts. I really don't come here at all, so I'm kind of new to the store. And while exploring, looking for the gluten-free cherries, we bumped into this man, you know, he works here, and he was helping us. And then we saw him again later.
Ken, drink one. Let me see you drink one.
This one looks popular though. A lot more people make it.
Get ready for personalized offers, so you can save on what you love.
Oh, that's what this is. Oh, okay, so yeah, that looks kind of cool. This one's got strawberries in it.
As a member of our event, but you'll also get sweet pea cocktails, access to memorable events, and a chance to
You should be
vote on which
fine.
commercial products land on and stay on our show.
What's it taste like?
And free trip worth more. Head to sprouts.com/.
Okay, this is kind of funny. At least it was funny to Kenton and I. So you see the man, right? I think Kenton has a new friend. So really what had happened was minutes before we walked over to that area, he was kind of guarding the sample area. He said he was standing there because minutes earlier, a woman had walked through the door with like 5 kids, 5 young rambunctious kids. I saw them too. And they had like stormed the sample table and grabbed a whole bunch of stuff. And of course, he's trying to be professional and he's like, I see you guys are really enjoying the samples. But apparently it must have irritated him because he was venting to Kenton how he had set up the table and, you know, this woman and her 5 kids.
Head to sprouts.com/.
Who got 6 kids? Oh, really? Wow.
Earning points on your purchase.
Does it taste nice?
I came over and they had specialty They don't practice that. They would make me laugh. Yeah, like 6 people he would buzzers. Yeah, that's what it was. That's what it looked like. They're looking around, looking to make sure your belly's still alive. Yeah, see, he don't buy that. They don't.
So how's that taste?
It's not bad. What it is, it's very light. It's still 12% juice. So it's light. So it's not sweet. It just has a little bit of finish, but it's not as heavy like
Apple cider. Oh, kombucha.
Good, right there.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that kombucha stuff.
I don't like that.
No taste.
But this is not bad. It's mild.
Oh, okay. Cool.
When it's cold, it's actually quite refreshing.
Yeah, okay.
Very unlike in our daughter.
let me leave so they're coming over here.
This looks good, doesn't it? So my takeaway from Sprouts is that, yes, the prices are a little bit higher, or maybe a lot. I don't know. Because, you know, I don't really look at prices. That's why I have a husband. But if you're looking for variety, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, you name it. If you're looking for baking supplies, they have it. If you're looking for organic, they have it. Kiwis are really vitamin C. You know what? Jesus, these are huge. Where's the big ones? Oh, I need this small. These are organic. Should I get these? And of course, in line with their whole fresh farmers market vibe, they had fresh flowers, beautiful flowers. They even have organic hazelnuts, which is not something I see often in southern supermarkets. You know, here you see a lot of like pecans, almonds, all kinds of nuts, but not usually hazelnuts. Almonds. But yeah, they have a lot of the baking things that I would need. Pistachios, all the good stuff. As you can see, I did not overdo it. I came here with a list of things I wanted to make an immune booster, and that's what I'm gonna do when I get home. You'll probably see that in a future video. I hope you enjoyed our little trip to Sprouts, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, of course, you notice I always try to put or leave some medical education or, you know, nutrition in the videos. So yeah, hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to leave me a comment or a like, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Stay healthy.